Do you want to attract more prosperity and love and joy into your life and into your home, and so that your home really feels like it holds more happiness and abundance? And would you like to organize and simplify your life goals and design your home in a flow that you absolutely love? Because when you align your home with the Feng Shui Bagua Map, it truly provides the roadmap to identify the 9 key areas of your life. And in fact, there are 3 key ways that you can actually use the Bagua to manifest what is most important to you. And I'm going to be sharing that with you here in this video. Working with the Bagua can be life-changing, and it will help you see your home and your life and your intentions from a whole new perspective. And you might be wondering, does it actually work, or what can I expect? Well, I've been a Feng Shui expert for over 20 years, and my clients have landed new career opportunities, increased their prosperity, attracted their soulmates, improved their health, improved family relationships, gotten pregnant, traveled to their favorite places and more, all with aligning their home with the Bagua. So if you're excited to learn more, be sure and give this video a like and hit the subscribe button and the little bell so that you'll receive notifications for when I post Feng Shui videos every single week. And this is the place to learn how to align your home and your mindset to hold abundance, joy, and happiness with Feng Shui that truly empowers you to uplevel your success, prosperity, and inner harmony. And before we get started, if you'd like to learn more about how to actually apply Feng Shui and mindset principles to your home and life, I'd like to invite you to join my brand new exclusive free Feng Shui community. It's called Feng Shui for Prosperity. And here in the community, which is free, and it's not on Facebook, you can actually take my free mini course, Feng Shui Secrets for Financial Flow. And in the community, you can join the conversation, ask questions, connect with other Feng Shui enthusiasts, and you and I can also connect on a one-to-one basis. So there's lots of great resources in the community. So I truly hope to see you there. The link to join is in the description. Okay, so let's get started and dive into the Feng Shui Bagua. This map can literally change your life. So let me explain the 3 ways for how you can actually use the Bagua to manifest what's most important to you. So the first key of the Bagua is to use it to help you manifest wealth, career success, relationships, health, travel, knowledge, and creativity. The Bagua, which is called the Feng Shui Map, is over 5,000 years old, and it truly represents the natural flow of life. And so there are 9 key areas of the Bagua, and each identifies a key area of life. And all of the areas of the Bagua work together. So we have career, knowledge, family, prosperity, external recognition, relationships, creativity, helpful people, and travel, and health. And we apply the Bagua to your home layout based on the location of the front door. So no compass or astrology or directions is required. And yes, in case you were wondering, I teach the modern Western version of Feng Shui, and I'll tell you why. Nature loves simplicity. Are you familiar with Occam's razor? This method states that if you have 2 competing ideas to explain the same phenomenon, you should prefer the simpler one. You know, nature is simple, and I found that the best results that I've actually achieved in my life with and without Feng Shui come through peace, ease, and simplicity, not complexity. And that's what I love about the modern Western version of Feng Shui. It's simple to understand and apply, you can build on it, and it allows you to set your own intentions rather than rely on language or directions that can be confusing or confining. So very simply, you align the bottom of the Bagua with the wall of your house that aligns with the front door of your home or the outermost front wall of the house. And as you lay the Bagua on your space, you will be able to see how the key areas of your life are represented within your home. And this is where the fun starts, because you literally can select which area of your life that you want to change, enhance, or improve, and then you align your intentions with that area of your home. And we can also use the Bagua to understand if there are items or furniture or belongings that are blocking the energy of the flow in those key areas. Your environment is powerful, and it's right there ready and willing to help you. And by the way, if you'd like to learn more about placing the Bagua on your home, be sure and check out my video here. And the reason that the Feng Shui Bagua works so well is because of one universal law. Everything is energy. So from a Feng Shui perspective, we see that everything in your home is energy, including the walls, the furniture, and the items. Plus, we are considered energy, along with our thoughts, which include our positive intentions. So what you think and feel and desire can be amplified by applying the Bagua to your space. And by the way, the Bagua is ubiquitous, so you can apply it to your home, to one room, to a piece of property, to your desk, to truly any space. And by aligning your positive intentions into your space, you then manifest it into your life. Working with the Bagua can help to facilitate positive change in all the areas of your life, and even change ones that once felt blocked or felt like resistance. Because you're working with energy on a physical and spiritual level when you work with the Bagua. The second when you realize that everything is energy is to help you simplify, organize, and categorize your life goals. You know, in your environment is powerful, and it's waiting there to help support you in what's most important to you, whether it's wealth, health, relationships, knowledge. It's all there for you to align your intentions within the Bagua and within your home. So the Bagua is a valuable tool that is there for you to use really to get the flow going in all the areas of your life. By the way, if this video is resonating with you, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button so that it can be shared with more people in the algorithm. Key number 2 is to use the Bagua to simplify, organize, and categorize your life goals. Do you have a long list of life goals that you'd like to accomplish? And do you feel like you need to round up the whole world when you're planning your goals, which can feel really overwhelming and maybe even like it's impossible to accomplish? When you use the Bagua as your guide to plan your goals, you can actually narrow them down to the 9 key areas of your life, and then you work on just 1 or 2 or maybe 3 at a time. It's so much easier. When you simplify the process and categorize your goals into one of the 9 key areas, you can then take real action and actually achieve your goals. You know, narrowing your long list down to a few key intentions makes your goals so much more achievable. And with a smaller, more actionable list of intentions, you can actually see what's working and what's not, especially when you pair your intentions with the alignment of the Bagua and the energy in your home. And both the Bagua and your home are there to help you truly simplify the process. And by engaging with your environment to leverage your goals, you are then physically setting your intentions in your home, and then you're seeing them and interacting with them on a daily basis, which is so powerful. And this works because then you are activating the reticular activating system, known as the RTS of your brain, which is the filter through which you attract and manifest things in your life. So I'd love for you to try this for yourself. Select one area of the Bagua and place one intention there so that you can see it on a daily basis. Then take action in your life in that same area of your life and see how things unfold. I truly hope to inspire you to try this for yourself so you can actually experience it and feel it. So let me know in the comments what one area of the Bagua you plan to work on first. So key number 3 is, would you like to create a home that feels in the flow, like the kind of space that you love coming home to, or when your friends and family come to visit, they love being there because the space is comfortable and welcoming? You know, this energy also supports positive family communication and relationships and creates a feeling of peace and ease. And this is the third benefit of working with the Bagua, because as you align your home with the Bagua, you are also including the 5 elements. So by using this formula to arrange your artwork, furniture, and belongings and color selection, you design a home that feels good and looks really good. And there are 5 elements in nature: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. And when we use the Bagua, we are designing and aligning our homes to really align with these elements. And when we work with the 5 elements, we are literally bringing nature into our homes and into the space. And so then the space comes into balance on its own. And the Bagua will help you determine where to place your artwork, belongings, and furniture. And it will help you to truly simplify the process and create a beautiful space that you love and love to share with your family and friends. Have you ever struggled as to where to place a piece of artwork, or wondered what is the best color to paint a room? Well, just use the Bagua and the 5 elements as your guide, and this helps you create a natural, holistic home that not only feels good, but it supports your intentions and what is most important to you. So here's an example. Let's say you have a piece of artwork that is like a beautiful river flowing. So where do you hang it? The intention that you have a generous and steady flow of wealth into your home and your life. And this is just one example. You can truly begin to use the Bagua to simplify and empower your home and your design decisions and your goals in many ways. So if learning more about Feng Shui is interesting to you and you'd like to learn more about how to actually apply the principles to your home and your life, then once again, I'd like to invite you to join my free Feng Shui for Prosperity community. This is my brand new community where you'll have access to my free mini course, Feng Shui Secrets for Financial Flow. You can join the conversation, ask questions, connect with other Feng Shui enthusiasts, and you and I can connect. So I truly hope to see you in the community. There's so many great resources there for you. So the link to join the community is below in the description. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Feng Shui videos like this. If you have questions about your home, be sure and leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And for now, I'll leave you with my next video to help you create a prosperous life with Feng Shui. See you in the next video.